What's up, Capstone family? This is Ed. I'm coming at you on Friday, the 12th of July, 2024. It's hot. Like, not even gonna lie. It is 116 degrees outside, and I initially started making this video thinking it was gonna be kind of cool, like I was gonna do it from my phone, walking across the parking lot, coming from our other office, and I totally lost my train of thought because it was so hot. I didn't have any idea how much the heat would just absolutely suck the brain energy out of my head, but it did. My wife is encouraging me to wear hats as I lose my hair, so that's probably one of the reasons. So yeah, Rachel, I should probably start wearing more hats. But I will, and AC units are on the agenda this week. Knowing that it's 116 degrees outside, if you have problems or challenges at your property, we're probably making some decisions to get that stuff fixed, or coming up with options to make sure that we can get that, say, alternatives in place pretty quickly. Alternative units like window units, mobile units, the portables, to make sure that people are staying cool. The hurricanes, what we found from our AC companies is the hurricanes have really affected the ability of us to get the parts and the supplies needed for some of the fixes that we need to have. One of our AC companies here in town, they're not even helping us anymore right now during this time when it comes to like preventative maintenance. They had to cut that out completely because it's all just 100% jumping in and making sure that we're taking care of, like, those that need the AC. We're dealing with some issues here, of course, in the office. It's always a little bit warm in my particular part of the office during the year, but right now it's hot. So not terrible, but I can't imagine those that are experiencing no AC. So again, that's a priority for us right now. If you've talked to any newer person on the team, which you may or may not have, we've had some recent additions to the team within the last 90 days that are all really close. Capstone's growing, and even though the market is changing a little bit, we're really investing in people this year. You're going to see some really, really cool changes, some positive stuff that's happening. For the first time in the business, I can say that there are some processes that are better than we've ever had, and they're only getting better, and that's what our new guy Micah is going to be doing. You'll hear more from him as the year progresses, but he's more of a behind-the-scenes guy, but at the end of the day, he's our director of continuous improvement, and he is absolutely crushing it. I want to give a shout-out to him. I'd also like to give a shout-out to AJ, who's on maintenance this week. He got like 4 5-star reviews this week on Google, and he even gets them from our vendors too, because he's doing a really good job. And I think it's important just to keep everybody he's keeping everybody in the loop and making sure that the experience from owners to tenants to vendors are all kept in the loop through this process. Nobody likes it super hot out here right now, but it is what it is, I appreciate you watching. There's been rumblings of the Fed changing the interest rates, which has prompted the market to look a little bit stronger from a buyer perspective here over the last couple of weeks. That's a good sign because buyer interest picked up on our listings. But I think at the same time, like, if interest rates were to change, there's just not enough supply out there. So if you've been on the fence about looking to purchase, now's the time to be putting your search together, making sure that you're seeing what's out there, because we're starting to feel the rumblings of maybe a shift in interest rates, which would affect the buyer pool. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any particular questions as we go into the summer. We've got a lot going on this summer because this is our busy time. So it's from sales to leasing to just making sure that the walks are getting done, to making sure that all the maintenance servicing is being completed on time. Like, these are all key elements that keep us moving forward and keeping us relevant in this market. I appreciate you and look forward to giving you a shout out again next week. See ya.